Do you want to know how to create and set up Telegram wallet? Well, in this video, I will show you how to do that in just a few clicks. So just head over right here to your browser and search for Telegram wallet. You can see in here this contact at wallet. So click on this right here and it will actually redirect you to your Telegram. So from in there, click onto this option right here and you can see this. So here's the Telegram wallet. Don't click any other Telegram wallets. There are actually a lot of scams happening right now. Just trust this wallet right here with this bot, which is the username of at wallet. Now for this one, click on start. Once you have done that, you can see this, your wallet is set and ready. You can start using crypto in Telegram. So actually, it's really easy. Just click onto this open wallet option and click onto this I agree to terms of use and click on continue. Once you have done that, it will open up your Telegram wallet. Now from in here, you can see this in here the made for crypto of Telegram. So click on this let's go option. And in here, you can see your own wallet. You can either send, add crypto, exchange, and a lot more. So that's actually really easy. It only took us around less than 5 clicks. So that's how you create and set up Telegram wallet. Hope we helped.